In this video, we are continuing to learn the textbook starting out with C++ from the control structure to objects. We are now starting the chapter 10. The title is The Character, C-String, and more about the string class. And this is the part of CS1 Computing Fundamentals in LastPass Test Community College. Here is the link to download the slide material, so if you want to see directly, you can use this link. Chapter 10 has 3 subtopics. The first topic is the characters. In this topic, we are talking about the library function related with character data types. Second topic is a C-string. We call the character array as a C-string. We will talk about the difference between C-string and string class type. And we will talk about why the C-string is still used even though the C++ has string class type. And the last topic is string. We are talking about the more member function of the string class type. Chapter 10.1 and 10.2 has a couple of library functions to deal with character value and also character case conversion. From the 10.3 to 10.5 are related with the C-string data type. We will practice a couple of library functions deal with C-string type. And then we will practice a bunch of member functions for the string class type. First of all, let's take a look at all library functions in one slide. These are all functions we will practice in Chapter 10. The most left box includes the library functions to deal with the character value. For example, if you want to check one character value is alphabet or digit, we can use the function isDigit or isAlpha function. To use this library function, you must include the new header file, the C type. The next group of functions are related with the C-string type. We need to include the two kinds of header file. The first one is C-string and second one is C-standard library. All these function names are starting with the str. 3 functions in bottom box are to convert ASCII value to integer or long integer or floating values. The functions in the right box are the member function of a string class. After this class, I think you feel like the member functions are more useful and convenient than the library function for the C-string type. Now let's take a look closer one by one. This table shows the detailed description about all library functions for the character value. The usage of functions are quite simple. All functions are returned 0 or 1 for the truth value according to the purpose of each function. I think you can easily guess function's purpose because the function name implicitly represents what it's going to do. I encourage you to read all detailed usage of these functions and see how to call these functions with the examples. Here is the reference link to check all details usage in the website. This table gives us the summarize all library functions for the character value. This table is very useful to understand all library functions. The X mark denotes that the function will return the value 1. It means that the corresponding character is tested by that function, and then it will return the value 1 as the meaning the true. For example, the function isAlpha returns the value 1 if the parameter value was passed with these characters, uppercase or lowercase alphabets. Let's take another example. In case of isPunctuator, upon all symbols like those values, it will return the value 1. I believe that you can use this table to analyze the return value when each function takes any character value. Here is code example to use those functions. I will take the one character value from the keyboard and then test the character whether alphabet, digit, uppercase or lowercase, and space character. I will use the function get to get the space characters such as tab key, spacebar key, and enter key. I want you to remind that if we can use the normal operator of CIN like that, we cannot take any space character value. After taking the usual character, we're gonna test the value is digit, alphabet, or other functions.